Now we're going to find the volume of trapezoidal prisms. Remember that we were saying the volume of a prism equals the area of the base times the height. So now in this particular prism, our base is going to represent the trapezoid. So we will first find the area of the trapezoid, the area of our base, and then we can multiply it by the height of our prism. So just as a refresh, finding the area of a trapezoid, we will use the formula half the height times base 1 plus base 2. So let's go ahead and look at this specific trapezoidal prism. Here, our base represents these trapezoids that we have. So I'm going to have to do half the height times base 1 plus base 2. What I'm going to do first is fill in that this part of my trapezoid is going to be 18 feet. That's going to represent one of my bases because they're parallel to each other. So the area of my trapezoid is going to be half the height. Remember that our height goes between the two bases. So that would be 12 because that's between base 1 and base 2. Then I can do 18 plus 23 because those represent the bases of our trapezoid. So let's go through and calculate this. I'm first going to take half of 12 to get 6, and I'm going to add the 18 plus 23 to get 41. So the area of my base is going to equal 246. So in order to find our volume, we're going to want to take that 246 and multiply by the height of the prism. The height of our prism, remember, is between our two trapezoids. In this case, our height, which I'll call h, equals 15 because that is the distance between our two trapezoids. It is the height of the prism. So now to do volume, I can take that area of my trapezoid, 246, and multiply it by 15. Okay? Area of the base, our trapezoids, times the height of the prism, which would give me 3,690. So our first step is to find the area of our trapezoid. Then our second step is to multiply that by the height of our prism, that distance between the two trapezoids.